Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I will speak and give you first impression about the new Victorinox 2023 Alox limited edition. As you know, every year they introduce new colors. This year is electric yellow. This to show you have got the limited edition. This one is the electric yellow. Very beautiful. I like the color so much. It look nicer in real life. Really beautiful. Oh, this knife is so sharp. It have like a matte feel here. Unlike their multi-tool, they are a bit shiny. Even the pocket clip is also matte. It comes with a locking mechanism. Inside the box you get the cord with the same color. It's so beautiful. I like it. Really great quality. You can see the year here. I don't know if it's clear. 2023. I like it so much. It's so beautiful. It's have a nice grip. This I was worried about the clip ruining the handle, but really nice design that doesn't affect your grip. Really smart. It comes with a wood finish, and it comes also with rubber finish, which I have also. So beautiful. I found it okay price. It's around $130. I got it around the same price.